Oh, I've never been there. I hope this year. That's my goal this year, to go Boracay and Palawan. But I don't think I can afford it. Thank you, Trey. Oh, that's a long time ago.
But you're still awake.
I just washed the dishes. So many dishes.
Good.
Good. You just clean your room. Only your room.
Good.
And after he clean her room, she's gonna lock her door. So no one can go inside. Thank you, Vlad.
Yes.
Vlad. Thank you, Alex.
Say that out loud.
No. Thank you guys for following. Guys, don't forget to follow my IG. It's in my bio. Right.
That's my favorite emoji. Oh, that's not my favorite emoji. My favorite emoji is this.
I don't have an abs. I just had rice. 2 plates of rice. Can you guys believe that?
Hi, Samara.
Big is for you. Thank you, John. Hi, Bubalan. Hi, Do.
Hello, Jojo. Hi, Albert.
Kiss from Rome. Oh. I'm 23 years old.
Thank you for following.
I'm from
Right,
Portsmouth,
Albert.
England, UK. Oh.
Come on, sir.
Very nice story.
Maria. Hello, Franklin.
I'm so full. Look at my tummy there.